Hello all, this is Ashit Mukunda. So in this video I'll be demonstrating the part 3 of homework 8, so which is looking at the HPS LEDs and then getting those blink, and then also by pressing the HPS user button we'll be controlling the LEDs for these. So basically we have a C code, so I just have to make it, so and then get the executable file and then just run it or execute it on the Linux terminal. So this is the process that I did for these. So just I went inside the directory and then cleaned the make and then made the make using the ARM Linux GNU compiler, and then these are the list of files that I have in this HPS GPIO directory. So this HPS GPIO is the file, that is a make file that we just generated using this commands. So the size here it says 14728. So and then coming to the execution part, so I've just copied this executable file into my pen drive, and then I've connected it to the board, and then I've also connected a portable keyboard, external keyboard, and I've also connected the VGA cable for the monitor. So I've already attached my SD card inside the board. So I just press the power button of the FPGA so that it turns on the FPGA boot. So this should automatically boot the Linux terminal on the monitor. So it has started, so this should start booting up. So I've also placed my comment card for the reference. So as you can see, we can see those two friendly penguins. So and it also says booting, so it has done. So we will log in using this. So we have successfully logged inside the terminal, and then I'm just going to look at the disk files. So this disk uses DE1-SoC, so that is the one that we are going to mount it. So coming to mount, I'm just going to print in some commands. So mount DE1 media USB, and then we're just going to go inside the directory of media USB. So once we are here, we just look at the files that we have inside our USB drive. So these are the files, which is AES 128, which we used for part 4, HPS GPIO, which we are going to see now, which is for part 3, and then my first HPS for the part 2. So we also have the size of each files. So we are just going to execute HPS GPIO. So once I click enter, so we should see this LED blinking twice and then going off. So based on our code, so once I press the user button, the LED should turn on, and then if I don't press that, the LED should turn off. So I'm going to press enter. 1, 2. So as you can see here, it says LED test. The LED flashes 2 times. User key test. Press key to control LED. So if you see, we have 3 buttons. So the second one is HPS reset, which we are not going to press it because it's going to reset the entire boot. So I'm just going to press the third one. So if you can see, when I press third one, the LED turns on. So if I remove, it's off. So this was all for the part 3. So where we had to control the HPS LED using the HPS user button. So this is it. Thank you.